Guys, you just have to see this. Like, it's fucking crazy. You guys have to see this. Like, I'm just letting you guys just. Look at this. Look at this. I need to get this car clean ASAP. Look at this. Whoa. That's just crazy. Look. Look. Whoa. It's just insane. But come on, man. This just feels so cool. It's just exciting. The messed up part is that I'm a detailer and I haven't detailed my own damn car. Let's get it. Look at this. Hey, these tires are no good. Estas llantas no sirven, güey. Mira, güey.
No le pises al timón y verás que van a servir.
No mames. Cheap tires de Castellón. So, these are my new tires we're gonna try out. They're a little bit smaller, but the meat is so fat. Like these, I went literally through 9 sets of these on Gold Rush compared to these. These are basically like this much. Like, it's not a lot compared to this. Like, it's just so fat. Hancocks are on. Crazy, man. I'm about to put on the tires. Got brand new tires from Castellón. Literally brand new. I gotta put them on. But man, I gotta take all this off. Look at this. Let's keep this. Uh-oh. Gotta get more dirty now. Always remember, walk them through. You don't walk them through, that's when you get screwed. Guys, it's time for a cold start. You guys ready? Watch this bad boy. What should I do? I'm just gonna foam it. You think it's bad if I foam it? Mine anyway. Crazy. Whoa. It's real foam, baby. That's what we do here. Real foam. I had to scrub it down, man. That dirt is crazy. Dirt is just crazy. The foam's not even doing it by his damn self. I shouldn't even rinse the outside of the car. Ooh, nothing wet on the inside. You believe in magic. a favor, go show them the rest of the car. Let's get this. We're done. Just gotta do a little instant shine. We're done. We're done. Yay. Guys, don't forget to share, like, subscribe. If you like the videos, if you like what we're doing with the Demon, there's so many cars out there that people don't drive them. We love driving them. We put them through everything. Why? Because they're so expensive. We're not taking it with us when we die. Might as well have fun with it. Enjoy it and do whatever you could do with it and just have a blast with it. Share, like, subscribe my videos if you like them. Thank you.